everyone, I will show you to make popcorn stick granny square. Now I make popcorn. The last I will make here. First you start with magic ring and make 8 half double crochet. After, make 4 double crochet and between 4 double crochet here you make 2 chain and make popcorn 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The last one I will show you. Now come here, make 2 chain, 1 2 1 2 3 4 and you leave hook, insert hook in the first stitch here and hold slip stitch, make slip stitch here and 2 chain, slip stitch now finish popcorn 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 popcorn now. Next we'll make square here, square. I will start from the corner. First make double crochet, 3 double crochet. First make 3 chain, double crochet 2 times, 1 2 now we have 1 2 3, make half double crochet 3 times, 1 2 3 and next double crochet 3 times, 2 3 and now we make one side already.